with Tia. The purpose of this channel is to inspire, motivate and coach you into a healthier lifestyle. Okay, so following our theme of building our immune systems, today I want to show you a very simple, but again, very effective syrup. And that's going to be a syrup that has 3 ingredients.
1 sliced lemon, sliced ginger, and a cup of raw organic honey. Again, we're going to be needing a sterile glass jar. Has to be glass and it will help preserve the syrup for much longer. Okay, let's go ahead and make the syrup. All we're going to do for this syrup is just layer, layer, layer. Pour some honey into the jar. Slice of lemon. Few slices of ginger. Slice of lemon. More honey. Lemon. Ginger. Another slice of lemon. Pour in the rest of the honey. Okay, just a remainder of the ginger on top. Squeeze some fresh lemon on top. And simply put the jar on. And that's it.
Now, how simple was that? But I promise you, it's so effective. When you first make the syrup, the honey is still going to be very, very thick. But let me just show you the consistency of one I've already made. I can open the jar. Okay, so this one, I've probably had this in the fridge for at least a week and a half, 2 weeks. And as you can see, just very watery. This, I just take a really big spoonful every day, but if my throat's a little bit more sore, then I just dig right at the bottom and get more of the thicker honey. You just feel it soothing down your throat. Ah, bliss. And again, I will add all of the benefits of this syrup below in the description box, so be sure to check it out. And if you'd like to see more videos, then make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed.
Why am I stressing? I better count my blessings. Life could have been more threatening, but it ain't we good. I'm unflexing.